Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by placing your subject 3 to 6 feet from the background. This creates depth and keeps shadows off walls. Next, use a 45-degree key light or a large window. Soft light matters because it smooths skin and preserves detail. Set your camera to aperture priority and pick f/2, 8 to f/5, 6 so you isolate the subject while keeping eyes sharp. Once done, check exposure and histogram. Make small ISO changes rather than reopening doors for light. You now refine composition and optics. Pick an 85 mm to 135 mm equivalent lens to compress features and avoid distortion. This is why portraits look natural. Place the subject's eyes on the top third line and leave comfortable headroom. Negative space sets mood. Switch to single-point autofocus and lock onto the nearer eye because sharp eyes make the portrait. While you recompose, move the camera slightly rather than relying on digital crop. This preserves You finish by directing the subject with concise cues. Ask for a slight chin forward and shoulders angled 10 to 30 degrees to sculpt the face. Shoot in bursts and bracket exposure by 1/3 stop. Capture 3 expressions so you have options. Review critical shots at 1 on the LCD to confirm focus and catch stray highlights. If a problem appears, troubleshoot one variable only, focus, light angle, or background distance, so you isolate and correct the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.